Buenas tardes, estudiantes, y bienvenidos a la clase de español. This lesson is for the week of September 2nd. Okay, estudiantes, for our check-in question, okay, if you are at home, I want you to write this on a notebook, okay? We are going to review the days of the week. We've been doing this for a couple of weeks and I know it's in your brain and I want you to write it down, okay? So Friday is, write down the sentence, Friday is, and then fill in the blank. What does Friday mean? The same thing for Saturday is, you're going to write down that sentence and fill in the blank. Saturday is, how do you say Saturday in Espanol? And the last one is Sunday is, and then you're going to write down your answer. Sunday is, what day is Sunday in Espanol? Estudiantes, you can take a picture of your notebook and you can attach it to your CISA assignment this week. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, our schedule today is pretty simple, okay? The first thing we're gonna do is we will look at the amazing piñatas that students made, and then we will look at our tarea on CISA. Okay, and I did my best to include as many piñatas as I could. Okay, I know I'm missing some, but these are some of the examples, okay? These are some of the piñatas that some of our compañeros made, okay? So alguien hizo una piñata de una fresa. Varios estudiantes hicieron la piñata tradicional con los conos. También estudiantes hicieron piñatas en formas de frutas, de animales, o de emojis, okay? So those were some of the examples. Here are some of the other examples, okay? Y por último, I'm going to show you one more page. This is another page of examples, okay? Not all the examples, because there was a lot of kids that made piñatas, and I'm so very proud. Thank you so much to everybody. I hope you have fun breaking them, maybe for the holidays, or maybe you can save it for your birthday. Okay. Okay, so the last thing I want to look at is our tarea, our assignment. And I want to spend some time talking about this because this is very important to me. Okay, so estudiantes, I love your ideas, okay? I want you to learn about things that you want to learn about, okay? Sometimes I put some of my ideas, but a lot of the things that we've been doing in class are things that you have told me that you want to learn. So let's listen to our directions for our assignment.
Hola, estudiantes. We've covered a lot of topics so far this year in my class. You gave me some great ideas at the beginning of the year, and now it's time to think about what other things you'd like to learn about. 1. Tap on the Add Response button. For the first question, using the pencil in any color, circle the topics that are interesting to you. Are you interested in learning about animals, geography, maps, places? Landforms, those are things such as mountains, lakes, and rivers. Or foods. You can circle all of them if you like. 3. For the second question, tap on the icon with the letter T and write down the answer to the question. What other topics? What other things do you want to learn about? 4. For the third question, tap on the label button. That's the button with the T. And write down the answer to the last question. I'm wondering, I want to offer more workshops. I'm thinking more cooking classes. Do you have other ideas? Workshops are extra classes that I'm offering, not during Spanish time, but like at other times. If you want to be part of those classes, give me some ideas. I want to know. 5. When you are happy with your work, tap on the green check button. Thank you, estudiantes. Your opinions matter a lot to me.
Okay, perfecto. Okay, so you're going to choose your name, okay? And I give you some ideas. Yo les di algunas ideas. These are things that I personally want to teach. sea, estas ideas son cosas que yo personalmente quiero enseñar, things that I know about, okay? So, esos son temas que yo conozco. So, maybe you want to learn about animals, okay? Los nombres de los animales en español. Maybe you want to learn about geography, la geografía. That's things like maps and places, okay? Maybe you want to learn about landforms, okay? So landforms son cosas como montañas, lagos, ríos, o si quieres aprender sobre comidas, foods, okay? So those are some ideas. Esas son ideas, temas que yo estoy preparada para enseñarles. So themes that I'm ready to teach you about. But I also want to learn what other topics, okay? So you're gonna type your answer. So posiblemente quieres aprender sobre la historia. Maybe you want to learn history of California. That's something I actually know a lot about and I can teach you about in español. Maybe you want to learn about, let's see, what else? Deportes, sports, okay? Anything, any ideas that you have, okay? And then estudiantes, like I mentioned before, I've been offering some extra classes, okay? I've been doing some cooking classes, but I want you to give me other ideas. What are some things? Maybe you want to do cooking. Posiblemente quieres hacer más clases de cocina. Tell me what kinds of things you want to learn how to make. Or maybe you want to learn how to do origami. Maybe you want to learn, what are some things? Anything, estudiantes, please give me ideas, okay? Así para yo prepararme. That way I can get ready, okay? So, thank you so much for your time. I hope you have a beautiful week. Feliz Dia de Muertos. Happy Day of the Dead if you celebrate it. Okay, se cuidan. Adios. Goodbye.